Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the IGK hair pink spray. So it's going to temporarily turn your hair pink and we're going to have some fun with it. So if you want to see how I do it, then just keep watching. So just to let you know that IGK is a vegan, cruelty and gluten-free brand, and maybe I'll do a video sharing with you what types of products I use and what I use them for. But I really enjoy their products. So when I saw this, I actually saw it at TJ Maxx. This is the only thing I've ever bought from IGK from TJ Maxx. And it's a pink spray, and I just thought, okay, I had to try it, and especially because it was from IGK. So we're just gonna kind of do some highlights, some pink highlights, or just kind of like the ombre. And so let's get started. So I'm just gonna put a towel around myself because this will get on your clothes. It'll wash out. This is washable color and it will wash out, but let's protect our shirt for now. So sounds like a spray paint can, right? All right, so let me get a mirror. Hang on. So I'm gonna start here, and it says to hold it 6 to 8 inches away. So let's see. Okay, and then it says the more you spray it, the more concentrated spray, the more pink. So if you just want a light dusting, then just kind of spray it very light. But if you like a darker pink, then you spray it like that. So I wanted to show up. So, and last time I did the L'Oreal, and I used the whole can, although it looked really cute. But I have longer hair. So, okay, so one thing I noticed that it's very cold, and like it almost defluxes your hair. So just something to keep in mind. So it says even in between sprays to shake it. So I'm doing that as well, but it's really super duper simple. Okay, and it's gonna mostly, it's mostly gonna show up on your highlights and the blonde parts of your hair. So I'm not sure if they have this for people with dark colored hair. Fortunately, I have highlights, so it shows up there. Oh, look at it, it's on sale. But it's cute. Like, I think it's good for people who just don't want to commit to like putting pink dye in their hair and just want to have some fun with color. And then it does look like it's ombre. It actually looks a little like on the darker parts of my hair, it actually looks like purple and lavender. So maybe let's try to put it on the dark part of my hair. Oh yeah. So on the dark part, can you see that? It actually looks lavender. It's kind of cool. Here, let's make it even. Oh wow, look at that. Wow. That's kind of crazy. Let's see. Whew. Oh gosh, my shirt. All right. about all I'm going to do. And I'm going to let it dry for a couple minutes, and then I'll come back and then show you guys. Okay, so it also says, you know, to comb it through after you're done. So number one is style your hair first before you use this. I think I could probably get 2 uses out of this, maybe 2.5 for this one can, especially if I'm just kind of doing the ombre effect for my hair. So number one, style your hair first. Then go ahead and once your hair is styled and it looks the way you want, then go ahead and spray the color in your hair. And then after you let it set for a little bit, then go ahead and use a comb and comb it through. So that's what I did. I used this comb and I kind of gently, because I didn't want to pull out all my curls because I want them to last a few days. I just kind of gently combed it through so it doesn't look clumpy or anything. But also another good thing to note, this has UV protection for your hair, which is awesome for me because we have some serious rays where I live. So that's another good thing to note. And IGK always makes things that are good for your hair. So this is just a fun way to add some color into your hair without making a permanent decision, without doing damage to your hair. And what else was I going to say about this pink color? Oh, okay. And it says that it'll come out when you wash it out. It doesn't say like how many days it'll last, but I definitely will let you know. If you follow me on Instagram, I'll probably keep you guys updated. Otherwise, maybe in about a week or so, I'll update the video and put what happened in the description box so you guys know how long this lasted and how well it washed out. But I hope you enjoyed this fun, quick tutorial on how to get ombre pink hair. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.